The scale of A harmonic minor has 1 sharp on G sharp. The actual key signature for this scale is 0 sharps and 0 flats, but because we're choosing the harmonic form, we then need to raise the 7th note of the scale by 1 step. In this case, the 7th note is G, and that's what gives us the G sharp. The finger pattern for this scale is exactly the same as the finger pattern for C major, which means we go to finger 3, start over, sharp 4 in this case, start again, 3, and then thumb for the last time, and then that's going to get 2 octaves with the sharp 4 again the last time. So here's A minor harmonic form in the right hand. Go to 3 and a thumb, stretch for the sharp 4 and a thumb, 3 again and a thumb, sharp 4, and there you are with 2 octaves. On the way down, the main thing to watch with this scale is because we've sharpened the 7th note, we don't want the 6th note of F to start creeping around and going away from its note where it should be. So try not to let finger 3 creep across and use G natural. We can either use G or G sharp, but we can't use the letter twice. So in this case, G sharp is it. So here we go, descending. There's the raised 7th, keeping that gap, all the fingers, and then it's 3 over first of all, to the octave, then we do it all again, 4 on the sharp, making sure you go to F with finger 3, and 3 over to finish. In the left hand, the 7th note is going to be taken by finger 2, and as with many scales, in the left hand you just need to be aware that finger 2 also does a different job. It's also going to play D, so you can't just rely on pressing a sharp every time you've got finger 2. You have to look out for that G and go for the middle black note of the 3. So starting with little finger, use all the fingers, 3 on F natural, and then reach for that sharp, and then join the octaves with a finger 4. Again, this D is natural, 3 over to F, but then next time you use your index finger, stretch to the G sharp. And the descending scale of this, you just have to remember your numbers mainly. So make sure you just go down to 3 and a thumb, 4 this time and a thumb, sharp again on the G, and a thumb. With many descending scales, what people do wrong is they get the first 3, fine, and they get the 4, thumb, but then the next 3 comes round so quickly that it's easy to do an extra 4, so just make sure you're ready for that and do an extra thumb there on E. If you need to do this scale hands together, here it is. Check your grade because not all grades need this scale with both hands. But if you do, it's the same finger pattern as C major, and I would recommend you try your hands together scale on C major first before you try this.